I just want to make this quick video before I put the head back in the in the Mercedes-Benz S600. Something that I say that is stupid. Why these people make this like that in Mercedes-Benz? They put 24 spark plug, 24 spark plug, all these spark plug on this car. I know it's a B12, but 24 spark plug on this car. Oh my god, that's crazy. The next thing is that why, if a car with a 4-cylinder engine only have 4 spark plug and the car make it anywhere that this car can make it to, anywhere this car go, a 4-cylinder car can go too. So that's all I'm concerned about. 24 spark plug. I mean, that's a lot of spark plug, you know. If you go service your car, like how much is we cost? Like you want to do tune up on your car or something, like you want to change the oil and then you want to change the spark plug. How much money this will cost you? Why? Why Mercedes-Benz do this? Why? Why? That's ridiculous. Too much money they want you to spend on the car, and this fucking car break down all the time. That's it. That's all I want to say. So I'm going to work on putting the head back together today. See if I can do it today or tomorrow. I stay waiting for the oil cooler. Got the old one right here. Alright, that's it. That's all I'm doing today.